Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Alene and today we're going to be doing a 21-minute workout. And it has no equipment and no noise. So it's perfect for any of you in apartments or in houses with families or wherever you are that you can't be jumping around and slamming your body around. We're not doing that this time. So basically how the workout's gonna work is we're gonna do 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, and then move on to the next exercise. During the rest, I'll demonstrate what the next exercise is so you kind of know what you're doing. And I'll be doing this whole thing with you. I'm probably going to be slightly dying at the end. This is my second workout of the week, so I don't know if I'm prepared. But I'll be putting all the times on the screen, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe so you can join me again for another workout. Also, feel free to pause the video and take a longer break if you need it. We'd rather good form over crappy form. So if you want to do things slower than I am, do it. Just make sure your form is good, okay? Let's get into it. Oh, also real quick before we get started, I'm wearing the MARASCHINO bra and the new Buffbunny shorts, which are very cute. You can't really see in this light, but these are navy blue, and it has a nice pocket, and I love them. The launch is August 22nd, code Alene. Love you guys.
She needs again. I've been coming alive, I've been coming alive again. Touch my skin and left your mark. You knew all the words to say. Held the strings tied to my heart. Pulled and pushed away. My friends don't bring you up no more. I'm sure yours don't mention me. I remember how we were before. It don't feel like memories. Why can't I get over you? Your love is a fire, it's still high on the fumes. I've done everything I know I can do. I'm still in love on you. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm
And we rest for a minute, and then we go again. Woo. I don't know about you guys, but I have not been consistent with my workouts lately, which I've enjoyed, but I'm definitely a little out of shape here. I do think I'm starting to go back to the gym, or I will be starting to go back to the gym soon. Probably actually tomorrow, but I'm gonna see how the OSU gyms are, what their precautions are, and I don't think a lot of people will be going at first, but once school starts a little bit back more in session, I think there'll be a lot of people, so we'll see how that goes. I'll probably be doing a mix of home workouts and weighted workouts. So let me know if you guys like this video though, because I can definitely do a lot more. And honestly, this makes me work out and not take like 5-minute rest breaks, so it's good for all of us. Dang it, I've gone over our rest time. Well.
So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on, throw your hands up, move on. It's all good, today's your day. Time is filled with swift transition, put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses, gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now, I'm coming for you, can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong, ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out, Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my luggage arms, time to move along, yeah. I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Chin up, keep smiling. Big days on the horizon for anyone willing to play. You gotta move, you can't lose. Get in the groove, you can't lose. Speed bumps only make you aware. It starts in your heart, so reach for the stars. You know you got charm, you can't do no harm. I hope you're prepared, cause when you get there, you'll be laughing and wilding like the principal there. Here I go, ready now, I'm coming for you, can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong, ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out, Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my luggage arms, time to move along, yeah. I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong, ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out, Mr. Sun is shining.
You've been with me all along, always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You've been with me when I laugh or cry. Anywhere I stood, you were standing by. With me when I'm fine, with me when I'm not, with me when I'm giving everything I got. With me all along, not a cameo. Every scene, every episode, in every video. Skip no scenario, there anywhere we go. You've been with me all along, all along. Always on my side, you've never gone. You've been with me all along. And you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You're still with me and I hope you stay. We come a long way since the early days. Always had a spot in the escapades, and a suitcase for the getaways. And all along you were always down. Showed up and would hang around, singing loud, standing out in every crowd. And we're still here now. You've been with me all along, all along. Always on my side, you've never gone. You've been with me all along. And you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. They're not all like you, no. Some blow away in a fair weather gust, disappear in a cloud of dust, leave you in the rain to rust, drain your trust. Say you're pretty good, but not good enough. The ones you thought you knew well, but I guess not well enough. But that's not you, that's not you. You never put me in the rear view. I wouldn't be the same without you. So I thank you, I thank you. You never put me in the rear view, and I wouldn't be the same without you. You've been with me all along, all along. Always on my side, you've never gone. You've been with me all along. And you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You've been with me all along.
I'm sweaty. Are you sweaty? Whew, that felt good though. That felt good. I'm very glad I did that. That was definitely the shortest rest times that I've been taking. That felt good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that, and glad I could share some of my own struggling, because like when I do a workout too, like I'm struggling usually. It's not just easy as cake. Is that a saying? Easy as pie. Whew. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you liked it, and make sure to like and subscribe. As always, it means a lot, and I put a lot of time and effort into the YouTube videos, so please enjoy. Bye, love you guys.